Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about your Canva account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a landing page in your Canva account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Also, this is going to be a free process. You don't need to have the paid Canva account unless you want access to other features like other templates. But why would you want to create a landing page in Canva anyway? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that it's important to have various landing pages pointing to different offers that you might have. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Canva account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Canva account, and this is the home screen. It shows all of your recent design. Now, in order to create a free landing page in Canva, you want to go ahead and click on the search bar here at the top. All right, once you do that, you want to go ahead and just type in landing page and go ahead and click on enter. Okay, as you can see, it's going to bring up a lot of different websites and landing pages that you can use with Canva. So what I'll normally do is just click on see all here on the top right. Okay, so now you can go ahead and scroll through. You can see there's a lot of them available. So if you see a little crown here, that means it's going to be a paid template. So you would have to pay to use that. However, there's quite a few available that are for free. And if you want, you can go ahead and click here on all filters. And then here on the left, you can go ahead and filter these out by the style, by the theme, features. But if you scroll to the bottom, you can go ahead and click on free. And then also you can go ahead and filter these by maybe right here, modern or minimalist. I kind of like more minimalist. Okay. And then you'll click on apply. Okay. So all of these are free and they would fit into the minimalist category. So let's go ahead and see which one works best for us. Okay. I kind of like this one right here. So I'm just going to click on it. So the cool thing about Canva, if you're looking for a landing page, once you click on one, it's going to show you others that are kind of similar. So you can see these ones are more like a link in bio. So I'm totally okay with that. So let me go ahead and click on customize this template. Okay. So here we are on the landing page. Now, one thing I want to let you know, the unfortunate thing about creating your landing page on Canva, while it is free, they don't really have an email capture button. So if you're going to use Canva as your landing page, that's one thing you're going to miss out on. And that's really an important thing. Also, another thing they don't allow you to do, at least not at the time of the recording, is you can't embed HTML code. So if you need to use Google Analytics or any kind of tracking software, there's not really a way that you can embed that into this landing page. However, if you're looking for a simple free landing page, this is a great thing you can do. So basically all we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open this up a little bit more down here and make it a little bigger. And then we're just going to go ahead and edit it. So these are really simple. So obviously my name is not Olivia Wilson. So we'll just go ahead and click in there, and then I can go ahead and type my information. And you can see that doesn't really line up. But don't worry, it automatically configures once you click out of it. And then this girl right here, nice looking girl, but that's not me. So I'm going to go ahead and just click in here. So you can simply delete her if you want, or you can go ahead and click over here on upload. And then you can go ahead and upload a picture of your own right here from your computer. And then once you uploaded it into your Canva, it's going to appear down here like I have these pictures. And all you're going to do in order to replace, it's kind of weird. They don't have a replace button, as you can see right here. So what you're going to do is just make sure that the purple box is around the picture that you want to change. And you're just going to drag yourself right over it. And you can see it just automatically drops in, resizes and everything. And you just let go. And you can see I'm inside the box. And then if you need to edit the picture, you can click up here, edit. Okay, so you can go ahead and add in different styles and filters. So let's see here. That one looks pretty good. And then if you want to edit the image itself, you can go ahead and click here, adjust, and then select area whole image, or you can do just the foreground, just the background. You can do auto adjust right here, and then adjust the colors. Okay, and then let me click up here. Once I click on the picture, I'm gonna click on position. Okay, so that looks pretty good to me. And let me close this down. And then I'm not a makeup artist, so we'll just go ahead and click there and change that again, YouTuber. Okay, so here is the landing page portion. So you can see there's 4 different buttons here. So with this landing page, when you're gonna post it, let's say to a Facebook group, where do you want these people to go? So you can click right here on price, and maybe we can say, check my YouTube. Okay, and that way this button is for these folks can go to my YouTube channel. So we'll just click here. And then in order to add the link, you're going to click right here on these 3 dots. And then we're going to go ahead and scroll down until you see link right here. Okay. And then let me grab my YouTube channel link. Okay. So here's my YouTube channel link, and I'll jump back over here, and all you're going to do is just go ahead and paste in the link. So this could go to your free PDF download on your website. It could go to another email capture form if you have that on your website as well. And then you want to click on done. Okay. So now you can see there's a line under it. So that way, when someone ends up on this landing page, they can go ahead and go to my YouTube. Now, maybe I don't have a blog, so I don't really need this button. All you're going to do is just hover over it until it's purple around. And then you're just going to right click, and then you're going to go ahead and click on delete. And you see the button still there with blog. So we'll go ahead and delete that with the trash can right here. Now we only have 3. And same thing, I'll go ahead and just delete this one also. Delete and delete. Okay. And then maybe if you want to add more information, which I don't really recommend on a landing page, but if you need to for some reason, you can click down here, add page, and you can see it's a blank page that's added right in. So we can go ahead and drag other elements in. So maybe I want a video over here. So I'll click on upload and then click on video. And then maybe I'll just drag my little video in here. If you don't have any videos, you can upload the video directly into Canva right here. Once you upload it from your computer into Canva, it'll show up right here like I have. And you can just drag it right in. Okay, so now we have a new page with a video on there. So that way, whoever lands on the landing page, they can get to know me a little bit better. And that looks pretty good. So of course, you'd want to add another link right here or maybe edit this. So my Instagram, and then just add another link in there. And if you want to change the wording, you can go ahead and add other words in right here. And the background color, I kind of like this blue, but if you want to change it, just click here. And up here, you can see the background color. Maybe we can go ahead and change that to a green or maybe to a purple. So that looks pretty good. And then you'll need to do that for each page. So right down here, we got page 2 with my video, and change that background color also. So we'll change that one over to, let's say, maybe a red. Okay, so that looks good. And lastly, you want to go ahead and name your landing page up here on the top. You can see it's turquoise and creamy minimal. I would delete all of that and we'll name it Make Money Anthony Landing Page. Okay, so now that looks pretty good. So now we're ready to go ahead and publish this. So we're going to click on share button here on the top right, and you want to click on public view link. Okay, so now we have our link right here and you can just copy the link. So with that link, you can go ahead and share it to your Facebook groups or to your Twitter or wherever you normally share your landing pages. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a landing page in Canva, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.